What's up, guys? My name is Miles.
And my name is Fez.
And this is The Commodity. And today we're reacting to beautiful Penang Island in 4K, Malaysia. This video was requested to us by Cheese Is Here. Thank you so much, Cheese Is Here. We truly appreciate the suggestion. And
this is the first we've heard from Cheese Is Here.
yeah, I don't think I've ever seen Cheese Is Here.
So thank you very much so.
Yeah, Cheese Is Here. So I don't know if you guys know, but we have made multiple videos on Penang Island or the Penang area because of their seafood. We've been told that Penang is known for their seafood and is famous for their seafood.
Yeah.
And seafood's our favorite. So this could quite possibly be one of our favorite spots in Malaysia when we go.
I'd
Who
say
knows?
it's tied with a good steak.
No, I've had so much steak.
Well, yeah,
But I've also had so much seafood. Seafood just doesn't get old to me.
because it's diverse.
Right. I had scallops for dinner tonight. It was amazing. So, guys, before we hop into this video, and if you haven't already seen our videos previously, we would like to let you know that we are traveling to Malaysia very, very soon. Within the next month or two, we should be hopping on the plane. We're trying to hit 100,000 subscribers before we head out the door to get to Malaysia. With that being said, it's probably not going to happen, but you could help us, and that would be awesome.
That would be fantastic.
So if you guys could go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell notification icon, that way you guys can stay informed when we do travel. I promise you these videos are going to be epic. They're going to be super, super awesome. It's going to be my first time on a plane, and it's going to be like a 33-hour flight, so that's going to be insane. Guys, also, if you would go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, it helps get these videos out to more people. And a lot of people like ourselves didn't even know where Malaysia was on a map. I mean,
Yeah.
we could have pointed it out eventually, but
after reading the whole
a year
map,
ago, before we started doing these videos,
Google searching,
we would not have been able to point it out, especially not Penang, Malaysia. So if you guys want to get this city out to more people, click that like button. It'll spread to more of our viewers. And in return, people will know about Penang, Malaysia. Also, if you'd like to help support the channel even more, you can click the join button down below. Throw in the comments as well what city you're from too. That would be awesome. City, state, country, wherever.
and maybe somebody from Penang will reach out to us that is part of the country or state rather.
And can hook us up with some good seafood spots.
Heck yeah. Oh, I forgot about their bridge.
So this is one thing that that I'm super excited to check out. The Sultan Abdul Halim Madzam Shah Bridge. That's a mouthful.
Yeah, right?
Keklak Sea Temple. That's gorgeous. Look how big it is. Like when you're
Oh yeah, when you're up close.
when you're right here, it looks so small. But then when it backs up, it's huge.
It's gigantic.
Located in Arrington, this was the largest
Buddhist temple
Malaysia built. The bronze statue,
Of Gunyin.
Goddess of
Guanyin.
Mercy, 36.57 meters tall. That is insanely gorgeous.
It's so intricate and beautiful.
Every year during Chinese New Year's festival, this temple will be lit for 30 days with thousands of lanterns.
Whoa, that sounds awesome.
Wow.
Whoa. That's beautiful.
That is gorgeous.
Is that a swastika
Where?
on the bottom?
No.
Yeah.
Gamma, please drop in. Georgetown. What is Gamma?
I don't know.
Let us know what Gamma is.
Oh, maybe it's the company.
Wow. Check that out.
Nope.
That's me.
I don't know if I could do that. I do
want
not.
to live here. Those are like fruit roll, the things.
Prove by the
Tallest
foot.
tower in Penang, officially added to the top in December 2016. Many attractions added here are part of the revitalization plan for Penang.
Why does everything have to be so high in the so high up?
Frog Hill. That looks cool.
It does look cool.
I bet you could catch some frogs out there.
Oh
too.
yeah, all that water.
And I love
Marshy.
some frog legs.
Might even catch some alligators too. Or an alligator can catch you.
No, not fruit by the foot, but the little things. They're like sour
The
straws.
sour, yeah, I know what you're talking about. I realized what you were talking about. Talk about late. Welcome back to the conversation.
Well, I wanted to read. Recommended to be here during golden hour for the shallowness.
Look at that.
That's really cool.
You can see like the veins from the land.
I bet there's some shrimp in there too.
Oh, I bet you there's a lot of stuff in there.
There's probably nothing. Like it's poisoned water and nothing lives in it. And look how laid out these trees. These trees are like perfectly rowed out. Jetty. Jetty.
Chew.
One of the infamous Penang's old jetty
for photography.
Last footage of the ferry service site decommissioned in 2021.
Aw, that's too bad.
Nice.
It's a little boat. It's almost
Penang
the same size
port.
as mine.
Yeah, I'll bet that one was seized.
No, so this is...
Pier Cruise Terminal is the latest terminal in Penang Port, which began in 2010 after a major rebuild.
Pause it.
I'm scared too.
Oh, okay. I just want to know where these cruises go, because you know how awesome it'd be to do like a
cruise.
Southeast Asian cruise?
Oh, that would be fantastic.
Like, that'd be so cool. That thing's huge.
Main, what does that say?
Shift. Ooh, that is beautiful.
Floating moss.
I
We've
love
seen
it.
this
Yeah,
one
we've
before,
definitely seen it, but it
gorgeous.
just sticks out. It looks so good.
Notice it.
I like the coloring, and I know everything has a meaning behind it.
Right.
But without adding meaning behind it, it's just beautiful.
And I love that it has a beach that you can actually walk down, kind of like under it.
It's like, all right, we're done worshiping. Let's go have some good.
Right.
Good
Let's go
rest
to
of
the
the day.
beach. Escape Park. This is the place that had the fastest
Or the longest.
water slide, or the longest. I'm pretty sure it was the fastest though. Oh, longest. So.
No, those like real leisurely.
Yeah, we almost
speeds.
lost our channel over
that
reacting
video.
to
Yep.
this video. Not this one.
But the one about the, I forgot about.
Yeah, the
that
guy
video.
copyright striked us. Like a meanie.
Golden Stuppa, Penang Hill.
Stuppa. That's really cool. Penang's hidden gem from Penang's hill hiking trial via Bath
Trail.
Trial.
It takes 45 minutes to hike from the foothill to continue another 45 minutes to the top of the Penang Hill.
Said it first.
Yeah, you started reading first. Oh, what is that?
Oh, what is that? I don't know.
It looks like a
I
vending
can't
machine in the middle
see
of
just
nowhere.
as much as you do. The greenery of Paddy Field from the other side of Penang Island, BALIK, PULAU. So it's just an art container.
That's so cool.
That is really cool. It's just stuck out in the middle of nowhere.
That's the best part.
Yeah. It's like that cube that they found, that metal cube.
It was a YouTuber. I watched a video. They did it all around the world. Maybe around Georgetown.
Five
area. Have
art.
you seen them? That's what we need to do. We need to find all those.
Yeah.
If they're still
Like
there.
without being told.
Yeah.
Penang Old Bridge.
You didn't tell me nothing.
So this is the old bridge, and then they came out with the long bridge.
The original bridge of the gateway between the mainland and Penang Island since 1985. I was 2 years old.
Why don't you just throw that out there?
I did. And they're all driving on the wrong side of the road.
And these is my collection of Penang footages. Thank you, Aaron.
Thank you so much, Arion.
Thanks for watching. Well, thank you for posting.
Yes. And doing such a good
Even
job.
that's a long bridge.
That's insane.
I can't wait to hit these bridges. So, guys,
hit them right on them.
if y'all enjoyed this video as much as we did, click on the link in the description.
Hit that like button.
Give this guy a like.
And subscribe.
And subscribe to him if you want to check him out.
Next time we check him out, he better have like 10,000 subscribers.
He posts very frequently.
Yeah, 5 days, 13 days. Quasi-frequently.
5, 8, 13, 3, 3, 3, 1 month, 2 month.
So he posts.
He posts more than
relatively-
most people we react to.
Yeah.
So-
Especially his kind of content's kind of difficult.
Yeah, so if you guys want to go check his channel out, definitely click the subscribe button on his channel. And hopefully you've already clicked the subscribe button on our channel. That would be cool.
Yeah, so we can hit that 100,000. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It gets hit in front of a lot of more people. If you want to see our future videos and possibly help us out hit our 100,000 subscriber milestone, they can't even see that. It's probably cut off. Milestone, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, because we are going to be traveling. We're going to be doing some diving videos. Possibly, I'm still debating on skydiving video.
Yeah, next month we're going to be doing some awesome food videos, hopefully. So,
fingers crossed.
Yeah.
And of course, if you want to support us directly, hit the join button. And with that being said,
my name's Miles.
My name is Fez.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace
out.